I'm Toby.
I'm James.
And I'm George.
We are all students of a level 2 horticulture course at Sparsholt College.
Learning skills like getting better at strimming and using pedestrian mowers more effectively and efficiently, and knowing not just about how to use it but how the machine actually works.
Also going around that client's house doing some garden work, that really helped us get a feel of the working life.
When we go into the industry, we know what we're doing.
You just keep practicing and practicing. This is what college is there for. Keep practicing, you get it right eventually. If it takes you
4 attempts.
4 or 5 attempts and it takes someone else 1 attempt, it doesn't make a difference because you're all there to learn and you're all there to look out for each other and help each other.